This dance is called Mr. So-and-so. It's a 48 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going to shuffle forward. 1 or 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Repeat with the left, left, close, left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left. So that section once more then. Shuffle forward on the right. 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Now we're actually going to repeat that entire section. Right shuffle, left shuffle, those 2-step pivot quarters. So here we go off on that right. 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. So we're back facing the front wall again. So let's just do those 2 sections together. Right shuffle off on the right foot. 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Chassé to the right. Again, 1 and 2 count timing steps. Moving to the side. So step right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Rock back on the left. Recover your weight on that right. Followed by a vine to the left with a quarter turn. So step left to the side, cross the right behind the left. Turn a quarter left as you step that left forward, making sure you turn your whole body, don't just twist. Touch the right beside the left. So no weight on these touch steps. So that section once more then, chassé to the right. Right foot leading. 7, 8. Right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch. So back to the top. Shuffling forward up on the right. 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch. Walk back 4 steps, right foot leading. So go back right, left, right, left. Now we're going to add on a couple of jazz jumps. So you're going to effectively jump these next few steps as opposed to just stepping through them. So you're going to jump forward on the right, slightly to the diagonal, jump forward to the left, slightly to the diagonal, hold and clap. And repeat. Jump in the right, jump in the left, hold and clap. They're done quite quickly because the counts on them will be and 1. So once you step backwards, you're going to be going jazz jump, hold and clap, jazz jump, hold and clap. So it's almost as if you're jumping the 2 feet together, but they are one after the other. So that section once more, then walking back on the right. 7, 8. Back, 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 back and jump, hold and jump, hold. Let's add that to the top. Right shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch. Back, 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 back and jump, hold and jump, hold. Kick, ball, change. Right foot leading, 1 and 2 count timing steps. So we're going to kick the right, put the weight of the right down beside the left, and then immediately change the weight back onto the left. So it's your kick, ball, change. Going to do that twice. Kick, ball, change. Followed by a jazz box, quarter turn. So we're going to cross the right and the left, step the left back, make a quarter turn right, step the left beside the right. Remember all these turns, turn your whole body over this. So kick ball off on the right then. 7, 8, kick, ball, change, cross, back, turn, close. Let's add that to the top. Just one section left to go. Right shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right chasse, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, back, and jump, hold, kick, ball, change, cross, back, turn, close. Add on a V step. So we're actually going to make this figure V on the floor. Starting with the right foot, so we step the right diagonally forward to the right. The left diagonally forward to the left. Step the right diagonally back to the left, basically to where it came from. Step the left beside the right. That is your V step. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Stop the right beside the left, stop the left in place. So remember with your stops, you're going through the heel of the foot. End of dance when we get to that point. So let's just do that last section once more. V step, off on the right. 7, 8, step out, in, close, step, pivot, stop. Let's put it all together. Shuffles off on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right chasse, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, back, and jump, hold, kick, ball, change, cross, back, turn, close, step out, in, close, step, pivot, stop. So that is your dance. And because the timing's slightly different in a couple of places, I will actually go through the dance with the count so you can see for yourself what the timing is like. Shuffles, forward, half on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance. It is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Shuffling forward, off on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right chasse, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, back, and jump, hold, kick, ball, change, cross, back, turn, close, step out, in, close, step, pivot, stop, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right chasse, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, back, and jump, hold, kick, ball, change, cross, back, turn, close, step out, in, close, step, pivot, stop. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to the music. Right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, right chasse, back, rock, in goes step, pivot, stop, stop, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot, right shuffle, back, look, side, behind, turn, touch, back, and jump, jump, kick, will change, cross, back, turn, close, hand, in, step, pivot, stop, right shuffle, shuffles, chasse, back, kickball, V-step, shuffles, shuffles, chasse, back, kickball, V-step,
Best be careful, woman. Now this year, you don't lie. Be careful, baby. Now let me tell you why. 'Cause I'm gonna stomp down over. You can shake and dry.
I hope you managed that one.